I'm heading off to college soon, real soon. My chances to hike in Texas are limited to just this last one. I decided to go to Bull Creek Greenbelt Trailhead in Austin with 2 goals in mind. See the sunset and have fun. Unfortunately, one of those things did not work out perfectly. In 2 weeks' time, I will be in Utah. In 1 week's time, I'll be in Florida. So there's not much room to do really anything at this point. This is it. This is gonna be last hike for a very long time. Who knows? It could be upwards of a year before I come and do another hike in Texas. What is that stone pillar right there? Time to investigate. It's just a trail, it looks like. It actually appears to be an outlook over what should be a river, but is just dried up dust. I'm singing Machine by Imagine Dragons. I listened to it on the way here. It was really good. Oh God. I was hoping that would have maybe slid a little bit better. There's gold everywhere right now. It's the golden hour. So all the sun is just creeping through all of the bushes and branches and everything. It looks really cool right now. I've been doing a push-up this whole time. I just want to talk about how much my mood has changed since I started this hike. Today was kind of a crappy day. I woke up with really bad allergies and my stomach's just been a problem all day. Then I came out here and I feel like I've just been immediately cured. Got a bit of a sheer hike down right here. Not too bad, just kind of had a hard time looking at where the trail was. It annoys me quite a bit how fenced off this part of the trail is. Why are you sending me down this way? No, I don't want to go this way. Oh wait, just turns around like this. Okay. Someone wasn't too happy about the whole no trespassing thing. I'm gonna follow the rules though. Got ourselves a dark little trail here to a very pretty cliff edge. Am I the only one that feels like that's a trail? Only one way to find out. I think it is. This looks like private property right there. Darn. Okay, I'm kind of a sweaty mess, but I'm just gonna pop the drone get footage from the drone and call it a day, because it's getting dark fast and I still have to hike back, and I could care less to hike in the dark. So it's really hot out right now. Wow. I didn't bring my micro SD card. Wow. Well, can't get drone or GoPro footage. I guess that no aerial shots for y'all. Sorry about that. That's kind of sad. It's kind of disappointing, honestly. It looks like it's going to be a pretty sunset tonight. That really sucks. Well, scale a little mountain. That was fun. You can't win them all. I'll do my best to get some footage. That some footage turned into none footage. I didn't really record much of anything on the hike back. It was just getting dark, and getting any sort of footage wasn't very viable. I had a fun last hike though. Climbing that little cliff was fun. Hikes here are great, but I'm so excited for the future hikes, and I hope y'all are too. They are going to be a lot prettier.